inspectorKev, when you need a fix, get inspectorKev.
Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, I have a sink that's having a pressure issue. I'm not getting any pressure out of it, so I assume the problem with it's going to be taking the aerator out and replacing it. So I called MOEN, and they sent me a nice little key as well as an aerator. So I'm going to take this one out and I'm going to replace it, and we're going to see if that fixes the problem. And for this last little things, I just turn it on and let it push it out, as I've already loosened it. So we're just going to replace this little thing and see if that changes anything. Because I noticed the pressure did come back up. So it's not anything to do with the pipes being filled with crud or whatever. So let's put this in and see what happens. Now that we got it in, let's see what we get. And there we have it. Pressure's fixed. Problem solved. No need to call a plumber. If you have MOEN, you have a 5-year warranty. So just call MOEN, ask for your parts, and they'll send it to you. I assumed it was the aerator. And I asked for a key because I assumed they needed a key to take it out. And they sent me both free of charge. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of inspectorKev.